You're not holding him so he's comfortable.
Wow, I'm doing my best.
Just go ahead and wash him. Yeah, that's okay.
Remember, it's got sound.
That's okay. Oh, it does.
Are you shooting it, David?
Yes, shooting.
And dear, how was your
Oh,
day?
look at the powder.
Here, come back over
Look at
where
the
I am.
powder.
You get a little better light.
Can you? I feel you.
Coming in for a close-up.
Coming in. Look at that boy. Look at now he's relaxed. Lower him a little bit so he, yeah, little warm head. Little warm head. Yes. Little warm boy.
Yes.
Little warm boy. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah,
You
he's
were
a happy
floating.
boy. Yeah, he's a
She
happy
doesn't
boy.
bring us back with everything and stuff.
He doesn't like his head. Doesn't like his head. What do you think? What do you think?
Look at that
Not so
shell
bad
out
this
of
time. Oh, suck on something.
You have to talk.
Yeah, I can
Oh,
do this.
okay.
I can do that.
I'll hold my hand there. That's right. That's right. Nice swimming.
Still a lot of stuff.
Nice
Okay,
swimming.
Mr. Thomas.
Yeah, he said he's so bad. He likes his head this time. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Whoops. He doesn't know.
We can never shut you up.
Who, me?
Yes.
Hey, Dad, how about
I'm
you
supposed to
right
shut up?
where your hand
You're
is?
supposed to talk.
I'm talking. Okay.
All right, now he's ready to come out. Ready, folks? Dripping wet baby. Here, get that.
Look at this cute boy.
Oh,
Look at this wrapped up clean boy. He'll probably spit up now. Yeah.
I'm gonna do all kinds of
Time to
things.
spit up. Time to spit up. You gonna give mommy a smile? You gonna give mommy a smile? No, right? Oh,
I can't believe there was sand on the baby.
no smile.
Come on.
No smile.
Not
That's so
so.
funny.
Who is that lady?
That's
Who is
cute.
that lady?
She's not black like the other one. Oh, that's cute though.
He's gonna burp. That's what's gonna
Yeah,
happen.
Look at that.
What?
Oh, that's loud. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh,
I love it.
Oh.
Oh, so sad.
Misery. That's misery.
Oh, that's so cute.
Bring him over here. Let's
Don't touch me. Bob, help. Okay. Bob, I don't know what to do. Come on, do it out there. It's more interesting.